Okay, so yeah, set the target to 30 feet. This is going to be 15 bullets in the clip. I'm going to fire it at this target. Sort of replica of somebody coming to me. Let's see how many bullets I can actually get into this target. And then, like I say, the shaking starting to subside a little bit, and the scared, you know, that when it gets such a fright when these people shoot these guns. But yeah, this isn't funny, this is ridiculous. The power of these guns is incredible, incredible. These things take lives and save them. So yeah, whichever side of the fence you sit on, it's up to you. Okay, now I'm going to pass it over to my colleague. He's going to record me, see what happens. Okay, thanks. Same thing. Make sure that it's true. I've got 15 bullets in here. Let's see what happens. Okay, so drop safety. Dead, direct headshot. Direct on the tee.
Oh, dude, put it down, put the gun down. Dude. That was gangster. No, whoa. Don't put it down. Right. Back. Oh, dude. Put it down. Take over. Yeah.
Okay, well this shows what happens when it all goes wrong. Okay, so he's managed to lock the safety for me. So I was pressing too hard on the handle and I managed to actually...
Yeah, don't hit that.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so yeah, so basically I was pushing too hard and I pushed out the clip basically. That's it, that's that done. Over now. What a dangerous what a piece of kit. Yeah, sweating. Different experience. Totally different experience. This, you know, doing this is nothing that I'm proud of. I just had to experience it. I really wanted to see what it was like, but more scary than I found funny, to be honest. Okay, over now. I said 15 bullets actually made, so there we go. So went for a couple, tried to go for center of mass and the rest were hit.